Hey guys, it's Joseph from BlackboxMyCar. If you've watched our recent video on the sample footage of the Philips GS5101, you know we were going to do an in-depth review of it, and here it is. But before that, I wanted to give another reminder and shout out on the BlackboxMyCar rewards program that's free to join, featuring plenty of free gifts and rewards that you can earn right away. We've been adding many new products to make your dashcam and car experiences even better. Last year, we started with the Aqua Shield to help clear the view of dashcams from rain and debris, followed by edge sight mirrors to cover blind spots and a pencil tire gauge. Just this month, we've launched a 4-in-1 wireless mount for your phone, a 21-in-1 precision screwdriver, a 3-piece outdoor multi-tool set, star tags and star cards, and the Power Mini 10,000, a portable universal battery. These goodies can be claimed in our BlackboxMyCar rewards program, our way of giving back to you. Now, meet the Philips GoSure GS5101. This is Philips' first foray into dashcams, and it's one that solely focuses on the essentials, easy to install and ideal for anyone's first dashcam. We'll be transparent, this dashcam isn't for everyone. It doesn't come with parking mode, but if you're just looking for a dashcam that will record while you're driving, and you're not looking to spend over $150 on one, then the Philips GS5101 is probably for you. For a limited time, we've got a neat offer for you too. We've partnered with Philips to give away a free Philips GoPure 6201 air purifier for the first 50 customers who purchase this dashcam, a value of $150. Now, available in both front only and front and rear, this camera has the core dashcam features needed to keep you protected while offering the reliability that comes with the Philips name. Let's get started and let's showcase everything this entry-level dashcam has to offer. First, let's get the 2-channel package unboxed. Here, you're going to have the front camera itself with a 3-inch screen and the slim, square-shaped rear camera. Underneath the packaging, it also comes with a cigarette lighter adapter and USB cable that connects to it, a rear connector cable, and a user manual. This cigarette lighter adapter can be easily installed in a vehicle in seconds for a simple plug-and-play connection. You'll need an SD card to get this working, so be sure to have one available. This one takes up to 128 gigs. Moving back to the front cam, the 3-inch screen on the back allows you to easily control it using the 4 buttons located at the bottom of the unit to change settings. Personally, I quite like screens on dashcams because then you don't have to use an app on your phone to make quick changes. Just more convenient, kind of like that 2.4-inch screen on a Viofo. On the other hand though, having a screen does mean that the unit is slightly bigger to accommodate on your windshield, so it's definitely not everyone's cup of tea. At the top of the unit, pressing downwards on the small mounting bracket will take it off. The front lens is rather large and can be rotated a bit in all directions to fit your unique windshield. Let's take a look at what that front lens can capture. A dashcam is only as valuable as what it captures, so high quality recordings are essential. With the front cam, the footage is recorded in 2K QHD at 30 frames per second. Philips chose the Sony Starvis IMX335 image sensor for the front cam, a 5-megapixel lens. This is the same image sensor found in the Viofo A119V3, a bestseller from Viofo that stayed at the top of the charts for many years. In fact, even after Viofo has launched some successors like the Viofo Mini 2, the A119V3 is still a big mover. Here we have some sunny footage from the start of spring as things have started to bloom. The Philips does a good job of capturing the colorful landscape and the plants spotted along the side of the road. This is all captured with a 135-degree wide-angle view for total road coverage. It's fully equipped for handling these standard road situations. We can even zoom in on some of these license plates for a clear picture. As for the rear cam, this records 1080p with a 2-megapixel CMOS sensor and a 120-degree field of view, still high enough quality to capture rear-end accidents. The rear camera admittedly isn't the best quality here, but it does its job for what you need it to do. The front cam's Sony Starvis sensor is especially known for its high-quality night vision, so let's check out some of that nighttime footage. While this camera does not support HDR, it does support WDR, also known as wide dynamic range. Basically what this means in a nutshell is that it allows the footage to be brighter in dimly lit areas. It's a pretty standard dashcam feature, so we're glad this dashcam has it. So even in the dark, we can make out license plates when we pass by, which is the point of having a dashcam in the first place. We're not going to get world-class dashcam footage here, but the main goal of this dashcam is to be able to read those license plates when it counts. Some lights will be a bit fuzzy, but that is to be expected for cameras in this range. Even with minimal city lights, details are still clear and vivid. But the Philips GoSure provides more than just simple recording. There are some built-in features that are worth talking about. Philips is packed with some features to make your drives easy. Starting off, it's the essentials, including a G sensor to detect impacts and built-in Wi-Fi. Remember what I mentioned earlier? The dashcam has a screen for quick check-ins and setting changes. But you can also use the included Wi-Fi to pair with the GoSure phone app if you want to download footage. Everything you want to do on the app, you can do so on the built-in screen itself, with the exception of being able to download footage. Personally, I didn't think the app worked out that well, but here's hoping Philips will be improving it in future iterations. However, if you want to download footage, you can also take out the SD card and plug it into your computer. Here's another convenient feature, smart voice control. The GoSure comes with a built-in speaker for verbally updating you on its status, and the ability to listen in on any altercations through a built-in microphone for sound audio recording. Rest assured you can turn this off if you're concerned about your privacy. Plus, that mic is helpful for a rather interesting feature, voice control. With voice controls, you can talk to your camera to perform basic functions. Again, geared towards first-time driver who we want to keep their hands on the wheel and not fidget with their phones or their dash cams while they're on the road. Features such as take photo, lock video, open recording, and close recording.
Take photo.
A photo was taken.
Lock video.
Video evidence locked.
Close recording.
Recording has stopped.
Open recording.
Recording has started.
The GoSure is also great at ensuring your safety on the road. It has some nifty driver assistance features too, including stop and go reminder, which helps notify you when the car in front of you has started moving in a traffic jam or set of lights.
Vehicle ahead startup.
It also has driver fatigue alerts, so you aren't caught snoozing behind the wheel, giving you a gentle reminder of how long you've been driving. This camera is mainly installed with that cigarette lighter adapter, so there isn't a hardwire cable, meaning no parking mode. So this camera primarily covers you while you're driving. Plus, add that Philips 6201 air purifier and you have a full setup to upgrade your ride. This air purifier is a great way to effortlessly keep your drive easy and breezy, removing any frustrating pollutants and smells. You can easily add it by strapping it to the back of any headrest or put it in your center console. While supplies last, this $150 air purifier is being offered with the GoSure dashcam for free on the first 50 purchases. And that's it on the Philips dashcam. This is a solid option for anyone taking their first dabble into dashcams. It's a pretty basic system that's very easy to set up, with an easy-to-use design and convenient safety features. As many of you know by now, reliability is one of our top priorities when it comes to dashcams. There's a reason we're so selective with which dashcam brands to carry on our website, and being backed by an industry leader like Philips is a real benefit. Check out this camera on the BlackboxMyCar storefront or Amazon, exclusively offered by us. This camera is already available, so we'll link the product pages in the description below. Before we go, let's answer a recent question left on our in-depth review of the BlackboxMyCar Smart Drive. John over here is interested in the device and is curious about how it'll interact with his existing Bluetooth speakers for his 2010 Toyota 4Runner. Well, the answer is yes. While we champion the Smart Drive as being an upgrade for even the most basic of vehicles, it can even be used to take newer vehicles even further, pairing with its existing Bluetooth speakers and seamlessly working together. This means that the Smart Drive will pair to your phone with its Bluetooth and then broadcast that audio to your Bluetooth speakers all wirelessly. And that's all, folks. For all things dashcams, subscribe to our newsletter to stay up to date. Support us by hitting that like and subscribe button. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. See you guys at the next one.